just in front of Schneider's net. He sweeps that away, and it's taken by Palmieri. Puck's not out of the zone yet. Battling for it at the blue line. Defenseman Nick Holden, and the Avalanche hold the zone. There's Schneider with a save. Tyler Kennedy trying the return pass for Kalinin, but that's broken up. Shoveled back by the Avalanche. Puck jawed loose in front for Kalinin, and the shot triggered. Matchup that you alluded to, Dano. Green and Larson, whenever you see 29, 92, and 9 in white tonight. Here's the Devils captain working it ahead. Stempniak into the Colorado zone. Burst of speed. Shot save made by Berra. Forces it back to Green. To the half board. Josephson on the puck. Drops it back to the point. Green. Return pass. Josephson's got it to the side of the net. Palmieri's got it at the circle. Nifty little move. Saved by Berra. Rebound loose, and it's swept away.
Palmieri is the first one we'll chat with about bringing his dad. So that's all coming up.
That's terrific, Deb. Thank you so much. And Bocheman steps up and shoots, and that's saved by Corey Schneider. Elias comes in, delivers a hit on Eric Johnson, who gets up and controls the puck for Colorado. Shots are 11 apiece. Duchesne on the puck. He shoots, he scores. Oh, Schneider got a piece of it, but not enough.
Kind of fooled Corey Schneider. He got a piece of it. Look right there. What a quick release from Matt Duchesne. He has been hot like you talked about, Steve. Schneider gets a piece of it. In fact, he gets a lot of it. Somehow that puck
spins away from Green. Tries to drop it back to the point. Landeskog plays it to Barry. Return pass from Jerome McGinley. Now McKinnon on the puck. Plays it down low. Duchesne, quick hands. Oh, it's a big stop by Schneider, and it's cleared.
Vision from Adam Henrique. Two guys on him just inside the Avalanche blue line.
Now across, Barry shooting, he scores! Tyson Barry. Back the other way came the Avalanche, and they've got a 2-0 lead on the road.
Devils with a great opportunity on the feed from Henrique to Stempniak. Barrow to the top of his crease makes the save. Avalanche end up going the other way, and
back to Moore at the point. Looks for a lane. Shoots, looking for the redirection. Stempniak in front. Played off the boards by Severson, and Skilly works it away. Bouncing puck taken away. Wagner with a shot. Big save by Schneider on a backhander. At the point. He and McGinley cross up. Barry to the side of goal. Duchesne plays it across. That pass got by Landeskog, and it's taken back here. Controlled by Duchesne. Duchesne walks in, shoots, save made by Corey Schneider. Pass off 2-2 and deflected away. Barry lost control, given away. Henrique busting through, save made by Barry, and he got the rebound too. Oh, punching one in front was 2-2, and Reto Berra makes the stop there as well.
Earlier in Adams' career in Calgary, and you look at the totals. My, oh my, 597 goals.
Shot, they score off the faceoff. Palmieri, it trickled by Berra, and the Devils are back in it. It's 2-1.
Off the draw, Travis Zajac goes to his forehand, gets it to Palmieri. That banks off the defenseman for the Avalanche. Skinnin, I believe.
Here by Palmieri, tries to send one in front for Zajac. Avalanche got a stick on that. Given away. Palmieri, backhand, runs out of room, continues on, plays it to Cavalieri, and a shot that won't go. Deflects back to Larson. For Cavalieri, his shot is blocked by Holden.
Oh, on the walls and banging each other. A little extracurricular activity after the whistle once in a while.
Landeskog picks up Duchesne, who's over the line. His shot fought off by Schneider, and the rebound taken by Josephson.
That was exactly.
Person would love one. He's been in the midst of a lot of extracurricular activity tonight. Controlled. Palmieri taken hit by Zajac. His shot saved made by Berra in front. Oh, Travis with a chance to tie up the game for New Jersey. Bothered by McKinnon and worked back to Eric Shellenau. Schneider can't get out of the goal. Severson plays it ahead. Now Stempniak over the line. Plays it across in the direction of Palmieri. Dave Bocheman in the corner. Landeskog trying to kill the rest of the game. Devils trying to swipe at the loose puck, but they run out of time. And Colorado hangs on in the end for a 2-1 win at the Rock.